Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chaharji. In this video we're going to check the wireless mouse and keyboard from Logitech, and we're going to see the components of this box, what kind of keyboard and mouse are there in this box, whether it's going to suit your laptop or desktop or not. So I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video. So this is the complete Logitech wireless mouse and keyboard. Over here says the model number MK235 durable simple wireless Logitech, and over here it says ₹4. I don't know what does it mean, but it says over mouse battery percentage for what you can get for the runtime is of 12 months. For keyboard you can get it around 36 months depending on the usage. If you are using it very hard or very rarely, it depends on that battery, maybe run over for 36 months. Otherwise the battery will run over for almost an year and the mouse battery will decrease up to 6 months. On the side there's other more specification, that what kind of Windows you need, what kind of USB port you must have, and all that stuff. And this is the most important part, it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Linux system, and that's it. Behind it we have able to see, let me just turn around, this is Windows, Chrome OS, Linux, and all keys you need, long lasting batteries, built to last, simple reliable wireless, keyboard specification, low profile keys, and mouse on and off. And here are some more specification. The price over is written is 2000, but on Amazon you're getting it around 16,000. I will leave the link in the description below, you can check that as well. And or moreover on the other sides you have a branding from the Logitech. So just quickly unwrap this box right now, and over here you can see there's a sticker, so I'm just unwrapping it. So as soon as you open up the box, here you can see the USB port which you can enter into your USB port of the system, whether it is a desktop or whether it is a laptop. So let's keep this aside as well. And moreover here you can see so this is your mouse which you are getting, and moreover after the usage, if you don't want to keep it anything aside or safely, you can keep your USB port over here. It will primarily fit it like this, and then simply you can put it like this. So there's a primary storage of the USB port in this device, which is a very good thing, so the normally USB port doesn't get lost into the any kind of a nearby environment. So this is the gray version of it, is look okay with it. And let's quickly focus on more components of the box. So there are primarily 3 batteries, one battery is for the mouse and another 2 for your keyboard. And let's quickly just check out the keyboard, where it is. So over here as you open the box, you can see that how you to put in the battery and where you have to put in the USB port. So there's the user manual with this device. Okay, and here's your keyboard to use it. So moreover, let's see the behind it. So no number lock or caps lock icon over here or notification over here. So there's the main, I think, one disadvantage of this keyboard. So there's the point where you can put in your cells. The good thing is that they're providing with the stand as well. So that's all from the unboxing of wireless keyboard and mouse. I'm going to use it for at least a month, then I'm able to give it a complete review whether you should buy this wireless mouse keyboard or not. So I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.